Welcome to Samarkand!
Hello, Philippines!
So ito yung flow. So ayun,
Mga katropa, welcome back to our channel. And for today's video, gala naman tayo sa isa sa pinaka-affordable place na aming napuntahan outside UAE. Welcome to Uzbekistan. Lumakad kami pa Abu Dhabi Airport around 1 AM para medyo maaga tayong makarating before the flight as the departure timing is at 6 AM. Yung mga documents na inanda namin for this tour are the following. Nga pala, gusto ko lang i-highlight yung importansya ng online check-in kasi may mga nakasabay kaming pasahero na hindi nagkasikaso ng check-in nila through online. So ang ending, pinagbayad sila ng 190 dirham sa airport mismo. So para makaiwas lang sa aberya, let's just be more prepared. Regarding naman sa visa, naka-visa free ang mga Pilipinong may valid Emirates ID as long as the validity is more than 3 months from the expiration date. Again, for this travel, we have chosen Wizz Air as our partner flight para sa tour na to kasi talagang napaka-affordable pag sa kanila ka nagpabook, especially if few months ka mag-aasikaso so that you can get the best deal that they offer. There was no delay on our flight. It was very smooth and it was like 3 hours and a half before arriving in Uzbekistan. Nung dumating kami sa bansang to, maliit yung airport nila, so hindi talaga kayo maliligaw. Pero napakalinis sa loob at very organized nila. Tsaka, mabilis ang processing nila from the immigration as they only ask for passport and Emirates ID. Sa gawin to, before exiting the airport, meron nang nakabang na booth na kung saan pwede na kayo bumili ng SIM card for data purposes. Also, pwede na din kayong mag-book ng taxi going to your destination. For the SIM card, we have selected Mobius as our partner telecom, where we paid 18 dirhams for a 35GB data plan, plus unlimited data for social media sites. Goods na siya for a group of 5 people, kasi gagamitin lang naman namin siya for booking taxi and a little bit of social media just to stay connected sa family and friends namin. For booking taxi naman, we downloaded Yandex application. Napakadaling gamitin kasi through the app, nakalagay na agad kung magkano yung babayaran natin. Also, meron silang live map to see kung gaano pa kalayo ang taxi before arriving sa pickup location nyo. After namin ilagay ang mga gamit sa accommodation na napili namin, nag-try kami kumain sa recommended resto ng aming host, which is Khalbaev Resto.
Hi vlogs, eto na't dumating na yung soup na hinihintay ko. Finally, makakatikim na ako ng soup ng Uzbekistan. So, try nating tikman. Soup chicken daw ito. So, kumbaga sa Pinas, parang sopas to na chicken. Ito try natin. Yum! Tastes good. Alam mo yung para kang para kang pagod na pagod tapos humigit ka ng ganitong soup, diba? Oo. Sabay. Diba?
Ano po masasabi nyo?
Umami. Umami.
Here, we order a group meal na talaga namang sulit at masarap after a long flight. For 5 people, we paid roughly 100 dirhams plus extra kung may mga additional order pa kayo na gusto. As you can see, hindi lang siya masarap, pati kasi yung food mismo, very presentable kapag inihanda na nila. So this place is a must-try place to eat to all visitors who are planning to visit Uzbekistan. And that's it for today. I hope to see you again on our next vid. Basta mga katropa, ingat lang palagi. Salamat!